Good morning. Here we have the cable chart. But I'm going to look at the weekly first. Now, as you can see, the week before we went up, we tested that 38.2 fib with all these little resistance tops. Couldn't sustain a break, couldn't sustain a move above it, to be fair. And last week, down we came. Now, we said last week that the currencies did look a little weaker and that we would be getting back dollar strength. And this is what we've done. Now, we've got our weekly pivot point at 130.84. Our daily is at 130.39. Now, the weekly moving average is coming in at 129.43. That is this little one here, okay? So there is a bit of support around in sterling. I can't say there isn't. If you look at the indicators on the weekly, you can see that the stochastics are beginning to flatten out, but by and large everything we see there is neutral, unless we do break above that 133.15 area. We're not going to. We're going to continue lower, and we could come down to around this area here, okay, so 126.60. So just let's pop over to the daily chart and see if we can finesse this a little bit. So you can see when we did come down, we've hit the 55-day moving average. Comes in at 129.94 today. Currently we're trading at 130.26, so we are still below the daily pivot, just, okay? That's our red line here. So where can we go back to? Well, it will be nice to actually try for that weekly pivot at 130.84. That ties in with the 38.2 at 130.61. That will be a good area, I think, to resell. If we look at the daily indicators, yeah, we're a little bit oversold on the dailies. We've got the rate of change still below the zero line, and we're neutral on the RSI. Now, indicators are supposed to be just that, indicators. The main thing that technical traders look for is obviously price, chart patterns, blah de blah de blah. We use the other indicators to confirm our view of what we think is going to happen. Now today, as I said, we've got really good support around the 129.85 area. You've got that 55-day moving average coming in, as I said, 129.90. You've got, coupled with that, these two little lows here, okay, and they're coming in around about the 129.75 area, and little highs. So we're all, it's all around the same sort of area. So we need really a break below this here. So if we can break 129.70, then the market will fall and we'll see 129.09 quite quickly. Now you can see where we've got that from. So 129.09 is 61.8, but we have to take into consideration these three lows here, and the lowest of those is coming in at 128.96. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for today. If we break that 128.90 area, then obviously excuse me, the market will continue to fall. But we'll just take today in our stride first and see what happens as Europe begins to open.